So earlier I made a video on Enph and how we were day trading it, made a really good profit, and then I ended up re-entering another position on Enph. And so I wanted to do an update to that video explaining why I ended up entering this trade and ultimately how much money did I make on this trade. So this trade specifically, I made about $2,926 on the day. The final trade was for a smaller amount of only $600 in profit because they didn't end up getting where I wanted to. So go back, watch the video, but let's get into this and why I ended up taking this trade. So we were watching this 15-minute open range earlier. We had broken the 15-minute open range, and then we started making lower lows throughout the day. And like we said before, that normally if we close under the 15-minute open range, we will start to be downtrending for the day. And so you can see that as we start moving, we start downtrending. We start making lower lows within the market on the 3-minute, coming down, tapping 180, making a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. But something different happens. We push up, and we don't just push up over, but we push up and we hold now for this level. And like we talk about in a lot of our videos, we're watching for the consolidation, no matter what time frame it is, of multiple candles. The same shit. It doesn't matter if it's 1 minute, I'm looking for a couple of candles. If it's daily, I'm looking for a couple of candles. So now that we have a couple of candles closed, your boy's like, it's time to get in. We're in at 180.39. And when I entered this trade, what my plan was to take my profit up at 181.79, which means I would have to set a very tight stop loss here of about $180 if we broke, which is a 3-to-1 RVR. Right from there, we ended up pushing up. And what I was looking for was a hopeful break of this level here, $180, because that would be that break or potential trend reversal. From there, pushed up, couldn't quite get the move that I really wanted, but I ended up selling out up around $181 on that VWAP. So ultimately, really, really good day. My desk I keep hitting it with my hand and then the desk starts going down, but ultimately a really, really good day. I think the most important thing that I try to stress here on this channel is that things don't have to be extremely hard. You don't have to learn how to read multiple different types of candles or have all these different types of indicators. Like if you give me a MACD, it's kind of like, man, as like, I don't know, it's a stupid reference, but like an Eagle Scout. Like I don't know what the fuck Eagle Scouts do. If you're an Eagle Scout, I'm sorry. But like if you give an Eagle Scout anything that has to do with like hunting, fishing, they should be able to use it. Once you're a professional level trader, you can give anyone any indicator. You could give me no indicators at all. I could trade just based off of price structure. Straight up, if you just got rid of all of this shit right here and I'm just watching price structure, this is all I need. Break up over resistance, holds, starts to move up. I would have, instead of having this here, my take profit would have been right here because this is that old higher high. And then that level that we were watching is here. So this is how I would have set it up, right? Confirmation pivot, take profit would have been at 182. Didn't get that into close. But you don't need a bunch of indicators. You really don't. I hope this video helps, guys. Thanks for all the support. If you want to join the team, go ahead and check out our Discord community down below. I love you. Peace.